to my channel. Today we discuss Kirchhoff law problems. How to solve the Kirchhoff law problems of the complex network. So before we solve these problems, first we denote the points or junction. Here this is A junction, this is B, this is C, this is D, E, F. Okay. Next, current direction. Current always flows negative to positive. So that means current will be flows. So this current we have to say I current. Okay. So that much of current is also going outside. Okay. So next, current will be flows in these two branches or two arms. Okay. So this arm we have to say this is the one of the one arm. This is also another arm. Here I have to taken this current is I1 current. This current is I2 current. Okay. Current is also flows to this junction. Then that current will be divided. So then that current we have to say or mention I3 current. Okay. Here current is also flows. So I1 is flows to the this B point. Then in B current will be divided means I3. So that's why here this branch current we have to say I1 minus I3. Okay. I1 minus I3. So then here current is also flows from B to D, A to D. Here current will be add up. Which current? I2 and I3 current will be add up. So that's why. So in this branch, that means DC branch. So that means what? I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. So this current is I1 minus I3. So here total current will be flows. Okay. So then in this complex network we can easily solve the problems by applying the Kirchhoff mesh law or voltage law. Here there are three loops I should take. So which are they? Here A, B, D, A. So this is one of the one loop. And B, C, D, B. This is the second loop. Next one is A, B, C, E, F, A. So in this three loop we solve this Kirchhoff law. Okay. First I have to take loop number 1. Loop 1. A, B, D, A. Here A, B, D, A. So we are going. So this some of the points you should observe while we have to solve these problems. If we go in a resistor, current is also same direction. We are also going same direction. Then that is called foreign potential. Means we take the negative sign. Okay. This is what? Resistor. But in case of resistor, we are going opposite direction to the current direction. This is current direction. Okay. Opposite direction means, so that means positive sign. Okay. Next, in case of cell or battery, we are going negative to positive. Negative to positive means rise in potential means positive sign. Okay, in the same way we are going positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. So here we should take the falling potential, that means negative sign. So this is very important while we have to solve the Kirchhoff law. Okay, so next we take here one of the loop number ABDA. So we are going A to B. Here one of the resistor, that resistor is 10 ohm. We are going A to B. So current is also going same way. So that's why we have to take an negative, means foreign potential 10I1. 10I1. Okay, we are going B to D. We are also going same direction with the current. Here I3 current will be flows. Here 40 ohm resistor. So that means falling potential means 40. What is this current? I3. Okay. So next we are going D to A. Here we are going opposite to the current direction. Opposite to the current. Current is will be flows A to D. But we are going D to A. That means we should take the what sign? Positive sign. So that means what is the resistance value? I 5 ohm. So current value I is equal to 0. So this is one of the in case of loop number 1. Here, so we can divide by means of a 5. Okay, so then minus 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 2s are 2I1. Next, this is the plus I2. I have to take this side. So same sign will be here. 5 1s are means 1 I2. Next, here this 40 I3 will be taken this side. There is no sign which will be changed. Here 40 means 5 8s are means I3 is equal to what? 0. This is what? Equation number 1. Okay. So next loop number 2. We are going B C D B. B C D B. Okay. Here we are going B to C. Current is will be same direction. We are also going same direction. That means so we should take the sign. What sign? Negative sign. Okay. Minus 20 I1 minus I3. So sign is very important. If you change any sign, wrong sign, the totally problems will be wrong. So that's why sign is very important while we have to take the sign. So next we are going C to D. So here current is will be flows D to C, but we are going C to D. That means rising potential. That means so we should take the positive sign. That means 15 I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. Okay. So next here we are going D to B. D to B. But current is will be B to D. That means here also the sign is positive sign. That means 40 I3 is equal to 0. Okay. Next here 20 I1 minus into minus plus 20 I3 plus 15 I2 plus into plus plus 15i3 plus 40i3 is equal to 0. Here similar current I1 is only 1, so that means 20 I1. Next I2 how much? Here only 15 I2, so that means I have to taken plus sign 15 I2. Then how much? I3 here 20 I3, 15 I3 and 40 I3. So that all are added together. 40 plus 15, 55 plus 20 means 75. 75. So what is the sign? Here I have to take an plus 75 I3 is equal to what? 0. Here I'll divide equation number. So here this is one of the equation number 2. So we can easily simplify this equation by dividing the what? 5 4s are 20 minus 5 3s are plus 3i2 plus 5 1s are 5 15s are 75. I3 is equal to 0. Here, so this is the one of the one minus 4i1 plus 3i2 plus 15i3 is equal to 0. This is one of the equation number 2. Okay. So next we can take another loop. Here I will take third loop number third. A, B, C, E, F, A. Okay. I am going A to B. Here current direction same. We are also going same direction. So that means minus 10 I1. Okay. Next we are going B to C. Current is also same direction. We are also going same direction. That means sign will be 20 what? I1 minus I3. Okay. So next here CE there is no element. E and F here one of the battery as cell here. We are going negative to positive, means we should take the what sign? Negative to positive means rise in potential. So we should take the positive sign. 20 is equal to 0. So because of there is no element here, B F to A. So that's why. Next 10 I1 minus 20 into minus into plus minus 20 I1 minus into minus plus 20 I3 plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Here how much I1 is there? Here 2. So that means minus 30 I1. How much? I2? There is no I2. So then we can take the plus 20 I3. Okay. So this 20 will be taken right side. That means this sign will be changes minus 20. So then we can simplify. So by dividing the 10, okay, by dividing the 10, 3 is minus 3i1 plus 10 2s okay, 10 2s okay. So this is what equation number what? Equation number 3. So then here we should substitute. Before we substitute, we should cancelize the I2 values. Here in first equation, I2 values will be 1. Okay. Here I2 values will be 3. So I2 value must be cancelled. So that's why we should multiply equation number 1 with 3 and equation number 2 with 1. Okay. So that's why I have to write multiply the equation number 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 1. Okay, so that's why I have to take here minus 2I1 plus 1I2 minus 8I3 is equal to 0. Okay, equation number is 1. That's why into 3. Okay, so next equation number 2. Equation number 2 means minus 4I1. So plus 3I2 plus 15I3 is equal to 0 into. So this equation must be multiplied by 1. So then we have here 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 6I1 3 into 1 plus 3 1s are 3 I2 minus 24 I3 is equal to 0. Here 4I1 plus 3 I2, okay, plus 15 I3 is equal to 0. Here sign will be changes. Here we should take positive sign. This is negative sign. This sign will be changes negative. Here 3I2 plus 3I2 minus 3I2 cancelize. Here this is also I1. Here minus 6I1 plus 4I1 means 2 minus 2I1. Okay. Next here this is negative, this is also negative. That means negative 39I3 is equal to 0. So this is what equation number here. This is the equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Okay, here we equating the equation number 3 by 4. Before we equating, we should cancelize. So how it is possible? So this equation number 3 we must be multiplied with 39 and equation number 4 we must be multiplied with 2. Okay, so then it will be cancelled. So here I'll take first multiply equation number 3 by equation number 3 by 39 and equation number 4, equation number 4 by how much? 2. So I will write once again the two equation here. Minus 3i1 plus 2i3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this should be multiplied. It should be multiplied 39. Okay, next minus 2i1 so then minus 39i3 is equal to 0. So this equation should be multiplied by 2. So then we multiplied 39 into 3. 39 into 3 means 117. 117. Here the sign is minus 117 I1. Next 39 into 2 is equal to 78. So here plus sign 78. So I3. Okay, next is equal to minus here 39 into 2, that is equal to 78. Okay, so next here 2 2s are 4 I1 minus 39 into 2, that means 78. I3 is equal to what? 0. Here we should subtract. So that means plus 78 minus 78. 78 I3 will be cancelled. Here 117 plus 4, that is equal to 121 I1. So this is the value. Minus I1 is equal to minus 78. So therefore I1 value will be taken left side. So that means I1 is equal to minus 78 divided by minus 121. So 78 divided by 121 is equal to 0.644. So this is the what? I1 current. I1 branch current means in this R branch A to B. So current is in B flows 0.644 and substitute I1 value in equation number 3. Here equation number 3 is minus 3 I1 plus 2 I3 is equal to minus 2. So this is what? Equation number 3. So in this equation we should take the I1 value, then we can substitute. Okay, here minus 3 I1 value how much? 0.644. Okay, plus 2I3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so next here 3 into 0.644, that is equal to minus 1.932. 1.932. Once again I will cross check. 3 into 0.644 is equal to 1.932. Okay, so next here 2I3 is equal to minus 2. So then plus 2I3 is equal to plus 2 3 is equal to minus 2. So this sign will be plus. So then 1.932. Okay, here plus 2I3 plus 2I3. So this should be subtract. Okay, 2 minus 1.932 is equal to 0.068. Okay, so therefore I3 is equal to 0.068 divided by 2. 0.068 divided by 2 is equal to 0.034. So this is the what? Current flowing through I3 branch. So that means current will be B to D branch or B to D amp. Current will be flows 0.034 amperes. So in that same way you can find the next. So by using the equation number 1. Okay, now substitute the, here I'll write I1 value, I3 value and equation number 1. Substitute the I1 and I3 value in equation number 1. Okay, so here I'll write minus 2I1 plus 1I2 minus 8I3 is equal to 0. Okay, here minus 2I1 value how much? I1 value 0.644. Okay, next plus 1 I2 value no. So 1 I2 then minus 8 I3 value 0.034. Okay, is equal to what? 0. So next here 2 into 0.644 that is equal to 1.288. So this is minus. Next 1, plus 1 I2 minus into plus minus 8 into 0.034 is equal to 0.272 is equal to 0. Okay, so next here 1 I2 is equal to 1 I2 is equal to, here this is also minus, this is also minus value, that means added together plus 1.288 is equal to 1.56. Okay, so therefore I2 value is equal to I2 is equal to 1.56 divided by 1, nothing but, so I2 value is 1.56. So this is the current of I2 branch current. So in between A to D or A to D amp current will be flows 1.56 1.56. So here we are already know about I1 value, I2 value, I3 value. Okay, so then we can cross check so whether it is correct or it may be wrong. So by using any one of the equation. So here I'll cross check. I will take the equation number 1 minus 2 I1 plus 1 I2 minus 8 I3 is equal to 0. Okay. 2 I1 value how much? Here I1 value 0.644. Okay. Plus, so 1 into I2 value how much? Here 1.56 minus 8 I3. What is the I3 value? 0.034. Okay, is equal to what? 0. Okay, 2 into 0.644 is equal to 1 minus 1.288 plus 1 into 1.56 1.56 minus 8 into 0.034 is equal to 0.272 is equal to 0. Okay, here minus value, this one is and this one, so we should be add up together. So it means 0.272 plus 1.288 is equal to minus 1.56. So this value will be plus 1.56. Okay, is equal to 0. Here this values will be minus 1.56. This values will be plus 1.56. That means cancelize 0 is equal to 0. That means this is the correct. Okay, in this way we can solve the so many problems. Okay, thank you.